Audio-Technica is celebrating their 10-year anniversary of their most popular headphone they've ever made, which is the ATH-M50. Now they've launched the new edition. They are calling this the ATH-M50x ENSO. Now the ENSO literally is not going to change so much. There's not much is going to change. The only thing here is that there are just a few little details that they're changing to give you this new model as more so like an addition to celebrate the more popular M50 all these years. So the ENSO is inspired by Japanese paintings. Basically, that's what the brand says. They wanted it to do things differently from what they've had in the past. They say where a single brush stroke forms a circle symbolizing life circles. This is what they have said about this release, and they want it to still continue the original black colorway of the original M50. Now this limited edition headphone comes with custom engravings on the ear cup rings as well as the headband sliders, and you also have the fact that it doesn't really change much in terms of the build. You're still going to get the same 45mm driver in here with rear head magnets and copper-clad aluminium voice coils plus a swivelling ear cups. That's how you're going to get this model. You're going to get 3 cables in the box: a 1.2 meter cable, a 3 meter corded cable, and a 1.2 meter corded cable. That's they call it the 1.2 meter straight cable. There's also going to be a custom headphone case here. You'll have a cleaning cloth in the box. So they give you all these accessories that will make things a lot easier for you to enjoy this set. It's very nice and obviously one of the very best sets you can go get your hands on. So the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x ENSO headphone is available for a reasonable price, £170. That's a reasonable price. If you want to buy it in the other European markets, it's 199 euros, so literally 200 euros. In dollars, it's going to be around $200. It's not that expensive by a stretch. So look, I'm going to drop all the necessary information for you guys down below so you can check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.